everyone, my name is Kalyani Rahul Gaikwad. My topic is farmer. A farmer grows our food. Farmer work in the field. They grow fruits and vegetables. They also grow rice and wheat. Farmer work our
very
hard.
They work in
every season. We get food from farmer.
we should
We should
respect
farmer. Farmer are very important.
thank you
Thank you.